Can we set up automatic invoicing in Whatnot? Hey everybody, if you guys are also wondering, in today's video we'll be finding out. So Whatnot, when you open up the Whatnot application, Whatnot is an application that handles payment processing for sales made to the platform once you sell your product, and sellers can particularly generate shipping labels and manage shipping details within the Whatnot platform. Buyers also can pay for items using a variety of payment methods available, including credit cards and PayPal. So when you head over to payment method, you can look out for payment options, and there are different payment options available. So if you're looking for automatic invoicing feature within the application, there is no mention of automatic invoicing feature in Whatnot. And Whatnot does not appear to have a built-in feature for automatic invoicing. While Whatnot handles shipping labels and payment processing for sales, it does not offer a dedicated system for generating and sending recurring invoices yet. Whatnot focuses on facilitating sales and shipping, but not on managing recurring billing cycles with automatic invoice generation for now. So you can just, if you're wondering if we can do that, we do not have that feature yet on Whatnot. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.